In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple timelines in Shotcut video editor. So I have here a video clip and I'd like to go ahead and add other video clips but in another timeline. To do so, just go ahead and right click on top of your timeline. As you can see, I have this is my first timeline and it is indicated by V1 here. So if I go ahead and right click on top of this, I have an option called track operation, and under it we have various functions such as add audio track, add video track, and so many others. Now depending on what you want to do, for instance, if you want to add a video track, just select add video track, and if I click on that, you can see now we have another track. So now if I like to move maybe this clip to that video track, I can just click on it and then move wherever I want. And then I can adjust the others just to fit in like that, and it is okay. If I want to add another video clip on this track, I can just go ahead and then take the video clip and add it here, and I can add as many as I want. If I still want another video track, I can still go ahead and add another one on top of this by just right clicking on it and then go to track operations, and then I'll see we have an option for video track here. If I click on it, we shall have another video track on top of it, and you can add as many as you want depending on your interest. And still, if you want now to add an audio track, maybe you have an audio and you want it to be here, you can still go ahead and click anywhere, either down here or up here. And now this time around, instead of selecting video track, select audio track. And if I tap on it, you can see we have now another track here that has been added. And now you can go ahead, take your audio. For instance, I can take this audio and then drag it here. First, you add in your playlist, and then once it is in your playlist, you can now go ahead and add to your timeline. To add the track to audio timeline, just make sure it is exposed. You are seeing it. You can just do this, move this track up, and then go ahead and now drag it to the timeline that it belongs to. And then you can just move it to wherever you want it to begin from, and where you want it to end, you can go ahead and cut it. For instance, I want it to end here. Make sure it is selected and then just cut it. And that is it. So that's how you arrange or add multiple tracks in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.